August is a beautiful month in Minneapolis, St. Paul, and Plymouth. The sun's out, it's warm, and many of us spend the weekend at the cabin or out on the lake. Storms are far from your mind, and that's exactly why you should take care of your trees now. Summer severe weather is unpredictable. You could spend most of the day out on the boat, then rush to shore to avoid a sudden thunderstorm. Because summer storms give little warning, it makes sense to do a little work now to avoid major damage when a storm rolls through. Trimming your trees now, when the weather's fine, can save thousands of dollars in storm damage later. Potential dangers lurking in your backyard. If you're the caretaker of an urban forest, then you know how nerve-wracking high winds can be. If you're home during a storm, you probably spend most of the time looking out at your backyard, wondering how your trees can take such a brutal battering. Trees are resilient plants, but even they have their limits. Decayed or hollow limbs, cracks in the trunk, and overgrown branches hanging precariously over your house are all potential storm damage risks. Trees that are structurally compromised by rot or a large crack are particularly susceptible to wind and storm damage. Large limbs that overhang structures are more likely to cause damage than those over your lawn. Tree trimming to mitigate storm damage. Fortunately, you can avoid many of these risks by investing in tree trimming and pruning now. When a storm has yet to form on the horizon, ask the experts at Urban Tree and Landscape to come out to your property and assess your urban forest. We'll check your trees for signs of decay, trunk cracks, and overgrown canopies. After sharing our findings with you, we'll discuss a plan to trim, prune, and if required, remove trees that could cause damage to your property during a storm. Once you sign off on the work, we'll schedule a time for our expert crew to complete the trimming, pruning, and removal. We'll leave your property safer, cleaner, and even more beautiful than we found it. Remember to stay sky aware this summer. Though the weather's nice now, a severe storm could be looming over the horizon. Keep your property and your family safe by trimming your trees now, before the next storm rolls through. Contact Urban Tree and Landscape for your consultation today. Urban Tree and Landscape is family-owned and operated by Gabe Tashida. Gabe's core values of honesty, integrity, and reliability guide every interaction you have with Urban Tree. To schedule a review of your slice of the urban landscape, contact Urban Tree and Landscape today at 612-532-9996 or www.utrees.com.